Hey guys, how's it going? It's me again. Today I got a video to do because I got a weird request from one of my fans. His name is Unknown YDHZJ or something. I guess that's his name because he doesn't know his own goddamn name. Anyway, this fan of mine, he wrote to me, "Hey freak, can you do a special video where you burp on command without any sodas?" Huh? Well, that's weird, but hey, here I am. Now, here's the thing, guys. I can't burp on command. It's not like, my mind wishes it and a burp comes out. No, that's not how it works. But the Burp King, being the super cool guy that he is, that's right, that's me, I will let you in on one of my many Belch secrets. And this secret is that if you want to burp without any soda, you can do so by forcing air down your throat into the esophagus. It is hard to do. It is hard to master. And yes, sometimes it will hurt. But if you master this technique, you're going to be able to do stuff like this. Not too bad. Right? So how do I do this? Well, first of all, it's mind over matter, alright? You have to take the air inside your mouth and physically push it through. That's the rest of the air. Through that little thingy, I forgot how it's called, that you got in your throat. That, it's like a little valve, I guess. You have to push the air through that, just like when you're eating and swallowing some food. But instead of food, it's air, obviously. And then you just let it sit. You're going to feel it going down. See, now it's right here. And because it's not food, your body's saying, hey, what the fuck is this, right? And it's gonna push it out. And you just let it come back up because it's not barf. Like so. Right? Looks easy. But it took me many years of practice to do it. See, now I got nothing left right now inside of me. Oh, sorry. So you gotta stretch. All right. You gotta stay focused and relaxed. And I'll try and show it to you as clearly as possible. You're gonna see my throat, right? So the air, right about here, your body's saying, hey, what the fuck's going on, right? You have to push it below the little valve that's here, right? You're gonna feel it going down here. It's gonna hurt a little bit, but it's not painful, it's just unpleasant. All right, so check it out. You see that? Do you hear that? 3 big gulps. Let's go for a 4th one. Oh yeah. All right, so right now it's right here. It's coming back up. fifth. There's still some more. Sometimes it takes a little bit more time, but hey, what the hell? It's all good. This is for you, unknown. I don't know my name. I don't know how to burp. Well, listen to me, and you'll know how to burp, and you'll learn your goddamn name. Alright, so, when you do it in a very proficient manner, like me, well, you can burp on command, like so. Oh, bile burp. Alright guys, so practice and let me know how it goes, you know, and if you master the technique, you too will be Belch royalty. Maybe I'm gonna start up another fan club, the Belch royalty family. So this is your pal, the fabulous four-fingered Belch King, saying, keep on burping, baby. Yeah.